5. DMX output through nodes. In this video, you'll see how to control DMX lighting through a ShowNodes node. For this tutorial, you will need a connected Show controller node. You will also need a VenueMagic DMX interface. The DMX interface is available as an option when you purchase nodes from the ShowNodes website. First, you will need to connect the DMX interface to the node using a USB cable. Choose any available USB port on the node. And while you're at it, you might as well connect a DMX fixture to the interface so we have something to control. Next, go to VenueMagic and open the ShowNodes Manager. Select the node and click on the Settings tab. Under the Peripheral Channels section, click on DMX Out Settings. Then click on this little button to open the Node DMX Settings window. All we really need to do here is set Enable Universe to Yes. If you're curious about other settings in this window, just press F1. Send the new setting to the node by clicking Apply. If you don't click Apply, the new setting will still be sent to the node if you click on another node in the nodes list. It's important to note that if you enable a universe on a node without a DMX interface connected, the node will report back a DMX device fault. Close the ShowNodes Manager window to get it out of the way. By the way, opening and closing the ShowNodes Manager does not affect any operation between VenueMagic and the connected nodes. All it does is show or hide the window. Now, open the Setup Devices window. Click the DMX tab, select Universe 1, and click Assign. Notice that ShowNodes is listed as an installed DMX device. With ShowNodes, DMX is broadcast to all nodes on the network. Any node with a DMX interface connected will receive the broadcast and route it out through the interface. The ShowNodes DMX device doesn't care about what nodes are out there. In fact, it is available even if there are no nodes connected at all. ShowNodes DMX is only available if the ShowNodes box is checked in the supported devices list. Once set up in the Setup Device window, the ShowNodes DMX device looks to VenueMagic like any other DMX device. So let's add the fixture that we connected to the VM USB DMX 01 interface to our project. Then we'll add it to our timeline from the last video. Drag another chaser clip and hit play. We are now controlling DMX through the node. If you have a Show controller node connected, you can build and upload the timeline, and then run it on the node by clicking on our Q button. By default, a node will only output DMX through the DMX interface connected directly to it. But what if you want one node to control DMX coming out of another node? ShowNodes will let you do this. To enable this capability, go back to the ShowNodes Manager, select the node, and click on the Settings tab. The DMX Out mode has two settings. In Receive Only mode, the node can only output DMX through its own interface. If we change that to Transmit and Receive mode, this node will now transmit DMX to all nodes that have a DMX interface attached. If multiple nodes are simultaneously transmitting DMX, the receiving node will blend all of these DMX commands using the highest takes precedence merging method. We'll look at how this works with multiple nodes connected later on. In the last few videos, we've learned how to control I/O and run VenueMagic timelines on a node. In the next video, we'll learn how VenueMagic events can also be used with nodes to really open up a wide range of powerful capabilities.